addition to that, many times it has been seen there are hormonal problems, especially in adolescents and in menopausal women. Many times it has been seen that pimples come in these ages. So, to balance hormone also, yoga is very, very beneficial, especially pranayam and nadi shuddhi practices. They are very, very beneficial to relax your mind. And yoga and meditation is proved to bring a lot of hormonal balance, because many times this hormonal imbalance is because of stress situations. So, once the stress gets released, the hormones start working in a normal way. So, that is one of the things which you can use in dealing with acne. In addition to that, you need to recognize what kind of acne you have. If it is very itchy and it is scaly and you feel it is very dark in color with no pus, nothing, just darkness is there and it leaves scar, birds are saying, and if it leaves scars, black colored scars, that means they are more, these acne because of vata imbalance. If your acne are bright red and if they have more pus or this sebum kind of secretion within, then these acne are more related with kapha imbalance, because a lot of big pustules are there. That means it is because of kapha imbalance. That means it shows like your pores are totally closed. These Romkoop which I mentioned, the skin pores, they are totally clogged, and that are causing this inflammation, and that's why a lot of bacterial colonies are getting deposited in your skin. So, one thing is, for removing this excessive sebum that got deposited on your skin, you can use mud packs or clay packs to wash your face rather than using very harsh soaps and chemicals, because they will cause dryness in your skin and your pimples will become more aggravated. So, it is very, very important at this time you treat your acne very gently and try to clean it with some kind of organic herbal mixture or clay pack or mud pack. The good thing about these mud packs and clay packs is they are better than soap, and they will make your skin more nicer. In addition to that, you need to detoxify yourself. How you can do detoxification? That is, there is a very nice video about mini detox with fruits. You start adding fruits to your diet, and there is a video link below. You can click on that link and you can figure out what is the Ayurveda way of detoxification your body, how to detoxify, how to eat a lot of vegetables, vegetable soups, you can eat more fruits. So, these foods will bring natural detoxification for your body. So, this is very, very important that you start eating fruits in your diet and try to detoxify by yourself at home. But at the same time, if you are diabetic, please, like you need not to eat anything sweet. So, you know the precautions, please stick to those precautions. In addition to that, try to have your dinner early so that it does not disturb your vata dosha, and do not get to sleep at 2 or 3 o'clock, because it also disturbs your vata dosha, which is not so good for health. If you are trying to have some heavy meals, please try to have these heavy meals during afternoon or in the morning meals. Night meals, do not take very heavy meals, because they are not so good for health, and it is difficult to digest. Ultimately, it will lead to formation of toxins, because the food will not be well digested. So, it is very, very important you try to have your meals on time. At the same time, immediately before starting your meal, do not sip water. Immediately after food, do not drink a glass of water. It will make your digestive fire very low. Ultimately, the digestion of the food will not happen properly, which will lead to the formation of toxins. At the same time, if you want to have water after food, you just wait for 40 minutes and then you can have water. If some emergency condition has happened, then it is different thing. You can sip water or some medicine or some stomach pain, but do not make it a regular practice, like immediately you have food and then you will take 2 glasses of water. So, this is not at all good for health, but you can have water after 40 minutes of having food, or 40 or 45 minutes. At the same time, try to have food, when you are eating food, try to be quiet, because when you talk while having food, it will disturb your Vata dosha. That's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given how to eat in a silence, because when you are eating in a silence, you focus only on your food, and at the same time it will help you to stabilize your emotions also, because if we are doing some kind of conversation in some kind of topic which is not so pleasant, it will disturb our mind, and it will not yield good health, because in according to Ayurveda, when we eat food, it is not only for body, but it is also for our mind. So that's why it is a lot of importance has been given that you eat food quietly and in a silence. At the same time, try to have meals which is freshly cooked, and try to have more and more organic food in your diet, rather than this canned food or these acidic drinks like these Cokes, Pepsis, which are very acidic. They are not so good for health. So try not to have these drinks. Try to have more fruit juices, that is more beneficial for you, because if you are enhancing acid drinks in your blood, that can also lead to various kind of pimples. In addition to that, there are various Ayurveda herbs that can be eaten to cure pimples, but regarding that, you need proper Ayurveda consultation, because different people need different kind of treatment, different kind of herb, because every person's digestive fire is different, every person's constitution, that is Prakriti, that is different, and various kind of situations in which he lives, that is different, food is different. So Ayurveda medicine cannot be one Ayurveda medicine cannot be recommended to all. So when it comes to eating medicine, what are the Ayurveda tonics that you can have for blood purification? It depends from person to person, but the Ayurveda paste that can from outer skin, that everybody can apply, because it is a universal paste and all can apply for the treatment of their skin. But at the same time, you need to make sure, like the herbal paste which I am going to tell, that should be from right source, and that should be purely organic. It should not contain any chemicals, otherwise it will not provide the actual effect for the skin. So one thing is, for removing excessive sebum, I mentioned you use mud or very fine clay just to wash your face. That is very commonly in India, the mud that we use, that is called multani mitti. Mitti means mud, and multani is the name for that very fine clay that you can use for your skin for excessive sebum production. That will bring a skin very fresh feeling, and you can mix it with a little bit of rose water. Take 2-3 spoons of rose water. In that you put 1 spoon of this clay, a very fine clay or mud, multani mitti, multani mud, and then you mix it properly, mix it, and then when it becomes a paste form, you apply on your face. Leave it for 20 minutes, let it dry, and don't speak while you have applied this face pack, mud pack, and after that you just remove it with lukewarm water. It will make your skin very nice, having very nice feeling, and slowly if you keep doing it, the natural glow of the skin will come back. So this is one way you can do it. In addition to that, there is another herb that is called manjistha in Ayurveda, and it is called Rubia cardifolia. This is the botanical name of this plant. So you can take the leaves of this plant, you can make a paste of the leaves of these plant, and then you can apply on your face. Just this paste you just apply everywhere on your face and leave it for 20 minutes, and after that you can wash it with lukewarm water. So you can do this any time of the day, empty stomach, full stomach, so it has no connection with stomach. The second most admired drug for skin treatment in Ayurveda, that is neem paste. So you can take neem leaves or neem powder. If it is organic neem powder, it's available at your place. If you get fresh neem leaves, you just make a paste of these leaves and put few drops of water into it, and then just apply on your face. But if you take some neem powder, you don't have neem leaves, Then take 1 spoon of these dried neem leaves and soak it in 4 spoons of water, and once it is soaked properly for half an hour, after that you apply this paste on your face and leave this paste for 20 minutes. After that you can wash it with lukewarm water. You need to do it daily till your face will become more and more better. You will see the pimples will start subsiding naturally, because this neem has antibacterial properties and it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is very beneficial for treating inflammation of these pimples, because these pimples also take a lot of inflammation they have. So it is very important if you apply it, and after that you just wash with lukewarm water and then apply any organic medicine or cream, whatever you are applying, that you can apply on your face. Or if you are not applying anything, it's just leave the skin as it is. Or you can apply little bit of aloe vera gel, that is very beneficial if somebody has pimples, because it is natural and it is so good for skin, and aloe vera gel is also anti-inflammatory. So it is very beneficial for skin, like after neem pack or after this manjishtha, the previous drug I mentioned, you apply this aloe vera gel, it is very good for skin. The third medicine which Ayurveda recommend, that is Tinospora cordifolia or guduchi. So you can take the paste of this guduchi or this herb or its leaves. You can make the paste and you can again apply on your skin, leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water. This also has very good anti-inflammatory action. So if you apply it, you will see the results in few days. And at the same time you can also use the gram flour with little bit of turmeric. You add it 1 spoon of gram flour, brown chickpea flour, 1 spoon of that, and add a pinch of turmeric in. So you can mix it, you can add little bit of water into it, and then you can make a paste and you can apply on your face. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash with lukewarm water. The good thing about this paste has, this gram flour has a property of making your skin glowing, and this turmeric, it has very good anti-inflammatory action, and after applying it on your face, you will feel this very kind of gentle feeling, because inflammation will be reduced. So it is very beneficial. All these face packs that are mentioned in Ayurveda, you can make use of it. So and if you need, if you want to know which medicine to eat regarding this, for that you need proper consultation, because different people have different problems, and one medicine cannot be given to everyone according to Ayurveda, because every person is different. So that's all for today's video. I hope the methods that I have told you, it will help you, and if you have any question regarding this, please don't hesitate to write to us. We will try to help you in the best possible way. Thank you so much for watching me, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, take a second, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, so that you will stay in tune with our upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Stay healthy, stay blessed, take care and be happy. Don't be scared of pimples. Eventually with time they will go, and always remember, these pimples are not going to determine your personality. What the kind of person you are, the kind of heart you have, that is going to determine your personality. And if somebody judge you only on basis of pimples, that is their choice. But if somebody has beautiful heart, he will spread his fragrance no matters how much pimples he or she will have. So don't worry about it. Stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.